Hey, we've always known in our culture that our grandmothers and mothers always encouraged oil massage on our body, scalp and hair, right?
Yes.
They believe that this actually helps to get stronger and shinier hair, and massaging oil on the body parts helps to release tension and body pains, right?
Yes.
This has been carried out for the past thousands of years, but today we think this as an outdated practice and we indulge ourselves into more modern sophisticated treatments which might not always work. So this Mother's Day, let me share with you a recipe of a massage oil that you can pamper your mother with while taking advantage of all the medicinal properties of the ingredients. So let's begin. In a bowl, add equal portions of pure mustard oil, tortilla oil and apricot oil. I am adding 30 ml of each here. You can warm it a little bit, but do not heat it too much, otherwise the oil will get rancid. Then add 8 drops of wintergreen essential oil and 6 drops of rosemary essential oil. Mix it well before using. We all know the benefits of mustard oil. It has been used in our tradition for many purposes. I definitely recommend you to get pure unrefined mustard oil. Better get cold pressed ones to get maximum benefits. Refined low quality cooking mustard oils will not be as effective as pure cold pressed ones. Now you might be wondering what Dotelo seed oil is. Let me tell you. People in the mountains of far west Nepal, in Tibet, some people in the remote places of northern India have been using oil extracted from Dotelo seeds to relieve muscle pain and repair damaged hair. This is relatively new oil for most people, but it has incredible benefits for skin and hair. Also, apricot kernel oil, because of its high anti-inflammatory property and high content of vitamin E in it, it acts as an incredible ingredient to the recipe. Both Dotelo seed oil and apricot kernel oil that I'm using here are cold pressed, and the raw materials are sourced directly from the forests of far west Nepal. So this makes these oil automatically by default organic, and hence we get the most medicinal benefits. Wintergreen and rosemary essential oil both have active ingredients that are analgesic, antifungal and antibacterial. Analgesic means to have pain reducing properties. Strictly do not add these in higher quantities as it can have negative reactions instead. Only add a few drops, as I mentioned, to get all its medicinal properties, because this is essential oil. This oil blend can also be used for massaging your hair and applying it on your hair shaft, as it can improve hair growth depending on your overall health and lifestyle, and improve the quality of your hair shaft for sure. It strengthens the hair and gives extra shine because of Dotelo oil. If our mothers are suffering from various body pains, hopefully not, massaging with this oil is the perfect gift for any mothers. Historically, we've been massaging our body with oils under direct sunlight. This signifies a lot about how important sunlight is for vitamin D synthesis. Always remember, if your skin is healthy, sunlight and cold pressed oils are always your friend. Whereas if your skin is unhealthy, sunlight and cold pressed oils can be your foe. So always seek for professional help if needed and try to live a healthier life every day.